Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 11th of January 2024. We're going to talk about ICP today, or Internet Computer, and try to show you how the market has signaled to us a sell indicator, but the market recovered real quick, and it's coming off the back of the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. And I wanted to come through and update you all as to what's been going on in the market for this particular cryptocurrency. You guys can see here that our original price prediction is right here on December 31st, 2023. We're looking for the market price action in ICP to continue to trend up in price, and so far I still feel that way. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down and show you why I still suspect that price action in ICP is going to continue to go up. The first thing I wanted to show you is that this market is still trending. Okay, so this particular cryptocurrency is still trending to the upside. It did attempt to break the trend line right here on the 8th of January. It attempted. This is the second reason as to why I still suspect price is trying to go up in ICP, is because look at that price bar. The spread is very wide. The volume came through on January the 8th, and then the market in ICP closed at the high of the bar on that particular day. All that signifies that there were buyers right here at this buy zone that we talked about around $10.70. We talked about this on our video. So we can get rid of this buy zone here because the buyers did not show up. So let's get rid of that. But they definitely showed up here at our second buy zone. So that is still applicable. And then our third buy zone down here around $9.70 is still applicable too. So all of these reasons is still cause for us to say, well, even though we did see some weakness come to the market in ICP from January the 3rd all the way through the 7th, 4 days, the market in one day came right back up to an area to where we saw the initial stage of selling. So I'm not here to tell you that we're out the woods now, but for us to see the quick recovery on January the 8th leads me to maintain that price is still bullish and that the market is still trying to go up. So look at this on the 2-day time frame as well. Look at that 2-day price bar there. That is why the market currently is still aiming for higher prices. Now, as I do suspect that price still wants to go up, we need to identify though, what is causing the price action in ICP to get rejected right here. It's like it's a lid right there in ICP that is keeping it from really going up to $16 to even $17. What could be the cause? There's only one cause, and that is because there's a lot of sellers there at that particular price level. That's the only thing that can impact price movement from going up, is because there's more selling going on at that level that the buyers has to absorb before price will continue to shoot higher. Okay, so let's go ahead and break that down and identify a couple of sell zones. So let's go ahead and look at this. So we got a couple of sell zones here in the market in ICP that I wanted to show you, and here's one of them. Okay, so we're going to put that as a sell zone. These are all areas that we need to see the buyers take the sellers out of the way in order to allow our price prediction to at least gain more movement to the upside. Okay, these two areas right here. Putting this on the 330-minute chart, I could bring this down slightly, and I'm gonna bring this one up a little bit closer. So these are the areas here. Okay, so I'm not going to change my price prediction, but I'm going to include these two sell zones. We need to keep our eyes open on price progression as it attempts to take out these sellers at these zones. If it don't do it, then you already know that this price prediction is going to go against us. That is not going to be right. That the market's going to continue to go down and probably test that ascending line again in the market in ICP. Okay, so we're not out of the woods yet. The market currently still looks like it wants to trade within a range, trade within a consolidational trading range, and here it is right now. This is that trading range here in ICP as of right now. I wanted to see it break this first sell zone and try to hit that 16. I'll be cool with that, because it doesn't look like the market really wants to come up here to $17.50. It doesn't look like that yet. So now that the spot Bitcoin ETF has been approved across the board for many institutions that's going to offer it, we need to see the market reclaim this movement that it's been on, this bullish movement that ICP has been on since what, the beginning of the year? Well, it really started in October, mid-October. So we still need to see that play out. We still need to see these market participants ultimately try to take out these sellers in these zones. So I'm actually finished. Real quick 5-minute video. I just wanted to let you know some of the things that has occurred into the market since our last price prediction, and what has occurred into the market after the approval from the SEC about this spot Bitcoin ETF that so many people's talking about. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.